Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I'm going to be covering the second part of my Atom text editor, and I'm going to be discussing installation of themes and changing the look and feel. So let's get started. So before I proceed into the themes and look and feel further, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is installing a terminal. So I do Control comma to go into settings, and then I just go into the install, and then I just search for terminal, and I'm going to be installing VK terminal, so I just click on install. And the reason I'm installing the terminal is I'm going to show you how we can install the themes via the APM command line interface, as well as by going into the settings. You can either install the theme by going into the install tab in settings and going into themes and searching for your theme and then installing it. You can also install the theme by going into the terminal and running the APM command, which is the Atom package manager, and then specifying install and then the name of the theme. So in this case it's SETI-UI. To change your theme, again you need to be under settings, under themes, and you can either change your UI theme or your syntax theme. The UI theme will affect the look and feel of your IDE, and the syntax theme will affect the look and feel of your source code. Now let's just have a look at some of the themes that I have got installed. So here we are. And now let's just have a look at some of the syntax themes. That's all for this video, and thank you very much for watching.